How to remove parental controls from Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and now make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on settings again. Here, you will see the option for parental controls on the left side toolbar. Tap on the parental controls option you see there, and as you can see, you will be able to view your linked parents. Now, if you tap on the manage option, you will not see the option to remove parental control from anywhere. So in order to remove that, you will have to connect or sign in to the account from where the parental control has been logged in. So go ahead and firstly sign in to the account from where you are logged in with your parental control. You might need to log yourself out for that. So log yourself out and then go ahead and sign in with the account from where the parental control has been linked. Wait for the login to process, and once you are logged in with the account where the parental controls has been linked from, tap on the settings option on the top right and then tap on the settings option again. Further, tap on the parental controls option you see there, and now tap on the edit button on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for unlink accounts. You will also see your account details. So skip that and then tap on the unlink account option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on unlink accounts again. And with this, if you go ahead and open your Roblox account again, and once logged in, tap on the settings option on the top right and then tap on settings again. Here, as you can see, if you tap on the parental controls option, you will see that the parental control has been removed. So this was about how you can remove parental controls from your Roblox account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.